Hi, sweet girl. What's that? Is that the laser? Yeah. It's raining like stink right now, kid. Yeah. Where is it? Can you follow it? Can you touch it with your hand? Hi, Jewel. It's over here. Jewel. There you go. Hi. Still a little skittish, huh? Even though I touched you. I touched you this morning. I know, when we were upstairs. Now you're down here. Where's the light? Here it comes. Oh, there it is. You're not into this? Okay, you want me to turn it off? Hi, beautiful. Hi, honey. Hi. What do you think? Oh, my leg is stuck. Oh, there we go. Hi, sweet, beautiful girl. Hi, little one. I just came from seeing that kitty that has cancer. Yeah, with the fluids. Yep, today he got a B12 injection that I gave him. Yep, to try to help him feel better because he needs his vitamins and he's still dehydrated. Oh, look at you. Aren't we brave? Hi, sweet girl. You nervous? Okay, it's okay. That's the rain. Do you hear the rain? Yeah, it's raining outside, honey. Wow. Look how beautiful you are. I know, this camera, the flash is really bright. I don't know if I put my finger over it. Oh, then it covers everything. So that's not going to work. No. But otherwise, we can't see you. No. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to see you because it's dark out. It's 6 o'clock at night. Yeah. Oh, Jewel. Hi, pretty girl. Is it on your toes? Can you get it? Oh, okay, you talked. I'm not sure what that means. Talking is good. You see your own shadow? You're gonna start to bug? Don't freak out on me. Where are you going? I think we're done with this? Okay. Want me to turn the light off because it's too bright? Okay. I'm sorry, sweetie. I know. I just want your mom to see you. It's important that she sees you. It's the rain. You don't like the rain? Okay. It's okay, honey. I don't think you like rain. Nope. All right, I'm going to shut this because I think the light's not helping you either. Good job, my love.